A mouse was having a very bad time. She had no food for many days and made strenuous efforts to get her food. All her efforts went in vain. She looked everywhere to find her food. As the days passed by, she became very thin. One day, the mouse found a basket with worms. She also noticed a tiny hole in the basket, which was sufficient enough to move her in. She easily moved inside the hole. Since she had no food for many days, she ate a large amount of corn. Without realizing first, she continuously ate more and more corn. She realized very later that she ate a lot more than she actually required.